we're going to work on some fills in 7/4 and 7/8 that we can continue with the grooves we worked on in the previous lesson. When you're working on these, remember that you can play any groove with these fills. So once you can play the version that's notated, try playing a different groove before the drum fill. Let's check out the first fill. I'm gonna play this nice and slow. This is a fill, it actually starts on beat 5 of the measure. So I'm gonna count this off nice and slow in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what this fill is doing really is a 3-note pattern over 16th notes, as if playing in 7/4 isn't weird enough already if you haven't done it. This is a very cool fill that involves what normally would be played over triplets, right, left foot, but that's over 16th notes. Like if you're counting 16ths, 1, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. But in this case, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So take that nice and slow and realize that you could use that pattern in any time signature. It's groups of 3 over 16th notes. Very nice syncopated feel to that fill. Now let's try that example with the click track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's try that with the musical loop. Okay, example number 2, moving right along. We've got some similar type of 16th note syncopation going on in our drum fill. I'm going to play this, of course, nice and slow to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, let's try that with the click track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with the musical loop. Okay, example 3. Now we're shifting gears into 7/8 time. These are some cool little fills that are very effective in this time signature. Here we go with example 3, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. with the click track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's try that with the musical loop. Okay, example 4. We've got a cool little snare drum fill that's now using some 30-second notes mixed in. So played nice and slow. Here is example 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's try that with the click track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's try that with the musical loop example. So a quick little tip with this fill in example 4. The way I'm playing that fill, what I'm going for is to play all those 30-second notes and those 16th notes as equal rim shots on the snare, meaning where the tip of the stick hits in the center or maybe slightly above the center, and then you've got the middle of the stick hitting the rim. That's the sound I'm getting for the backbeat. So I want to get that same tone and volume for the fill. So just a little quick tip about the way I approach that. I believe that if you're playing a rock tune, a fill like that played as rim shots is going to record better. It's going to stand out amidst all the other guitars, the bass, the vocals, whatever you're doing. That's just the way I play it, and I'm curious to see how you guys approach it. Go for it. Okay, example number 5. This involves a sticking pattern that you're going to use for the 7 notes. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. If you play 2 of those sticking patterns back to back as 16th notes, it will fit evenly into a bar of 7. So let's do this nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's try it with the click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with our musical loop. So quick little note about example 5, this sticking pattern of right, left, right, left, right, left, left. If you play that twice in one bar of 7, the second time through, it's gonna be on the upbeat of beat 4 in this case. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. So that's just something to help you play it, because it becomes a very syncopated, upbeat thing, but it will land your right hand on the crash on 1, guaranteed, if you play it correctly. So your assignment for this lesson is to practice all 5 of these exercises with a metronome or with the loop tracks. And be sure to count these out, especially the 7/4 examples that are quite long. Have fun with these, and once you've completed your assignment, you can move on to the next lesson. And don't forget, we've got some extra examples at the bottom of this video. Check it out.